This is the soil moisture probe. This is the soil moisture sensor, sensor module and Arduino Uno board. These are connected through some jumper wires, and this is the main wire through which all this circuit is connected to the computer. Here this is the code, and when this is uploaded and executed here, we can see some values coming here. These are nothing but the resistance values. And when the sensor is put into soil, we can see that the resistance values have dropped. This means that there is some amount of water in soil. And using this probe, we can identify the amount of water present in soil and adjust it according to our plant. Thank you.